Jackie, in Maryland, a whole lot of shoppers at grocery and hardware stores preparing for the storm. We caught up with some neighbors in Lanham who are grabbing groceries. You can see their carts were full. Another shopper picking up salt for the driveway and sidewalk and making sure they have enough supplies in case power goes out.
Got water, what do we get? Bread, milk, eggs, butter, meat, stock up on chicken. Woo. Now we're getting diapers.
Today I'm getting my firewood, I'm getting an extra gas can, and windshield washer fluid, and some fire start.
Why?
I want to make sure that I got enough gasoline to keep that generator going. And if that fails, I got some firewood too.
All right, he is good to go. All his bases covered there. Everyone telling us tonight they'd rather be prepared than sorry later, of course. Well, bitter cold temps causing